If you're bored out of your mind this summer and stuck doing the same things every day, you're not alone. Scrolling on your phone might feel fun for a while, but deep down, it just makes you feel more tired and unmotivated. This is your sign to stop wasting your summer and actually do something cute, fun, and refreshing. You don't need a lot of money or fancy tools, just a little creativity and the urge to try. Paint your own tote bags. Grab a plain tote bag and decorate it with fabric paint, markers, or even patches. It's relaxing and super easy, and the final result is something you'll actually use. Plus, no one else will have the exact same design as you. Thrift flip old clothes. Find some old clothes from your closet or go to a thrift store and give them a makeover. Turn oversized t-shirts into crop tops, add lace to jeans, or paint butterflies on a jacket. You get new outfits and have fun while doing it. Bake mini cakes or cupcakes. Try baking cute little cupcakes or a mini cake and decorating it in your own style. Use pastel frosting, sprinkles, or tiny edible flowers to make them look like something out of Pinterest. And the best part? You get to eat it after. DIY skincare at home. Make your own glow-up skincare with simple ingredients like oats, honey, or yogurt. Rice water is great for brightening, and it's so easy to make by just soaking rice overnight. Plus, it's good for your skin and saves you money. Create your own lip balm. Making lip balm is surprisingly simple and really satisfying. Mix Vaseline or coconut oil with a little color from beetroot or blush and add vanilla for a nice smell. Pour it into a tiny container and decorate it if you want. It's fun, easy, and gives you something you can use every day. Sew a cute pillow or pouch. Try sewing a small pastel pillow or a soft pouch using leftover fabric and thread. Add lace or ribbon if you want to make it extra pretty. You don't have to be perfect, just enjoy the process. Make scented candles, reuse old jars, and make your own candles with wax, essential oils, and flowers. You can add lavender, rose petals, or vanilla to make them smell amazing. Decorate the outside of the jar with stickers or paint. These candles can change the whole vibe of your room. DIY hair accessories. Make your own cute scrunchies, headbands, or bows using fabric and simple tools. You can match them with your outfits or give them as gifts. They're fun to make and don't take much time. Plus, they add a soft touch to your look. Embroider something pretty. Start with something small like a heart, flower, or star on your tote bag or shirt. Use soft-colored thread and take your time. It doesn't need to be perfect. Crochet mini keychains. Try crocheting small things like hearts, strawberries, or smiley faces. There are simple YouTube tutorials you can follow even if you're a beginner. You can hang them on your bag or use them as gifts. Make a scrapbook. Collect photos, stickers, dried flowers, and quotes to make your own memory book. Use it to write about your summer, your feelings, or things you're grateful for. Over time, it becomes something really special to look back on. Paint plant pots. Use pastel paint to decorate old plant pots with smileys, clouds, or flowers. Even if you don't have real plants, you can use fake ones, or just use the pot for storage. This adds a personal touch to your room or balcony. Make a gallery wall. Collect mini canvases or print aesthetic pictures and arrange them on your wall. Paint quotes, draw cute doodles, or create a themed collage. It makes your room feel more like you. Create a vision board. Cut out pictures from magazines or print them from Pinterest and put them on a board. Add your dream house, your goals, your favorite outfits, anything you want in your life. It helps you focus on what matters. Build a self-care box. Fill a small box with little things that make you feel calm and happy. Add a face mask, candle, your favorite tea, and a sweet note to yourself. You can open it whenever you feel low. Decorate your mirror. Use pearls, stickers, or fake flowers to make your mirror look dreamy. Add a small note like, "You're doing great," or "You're glowing." It's a simple way to lift your mood every day. Customize your phone case. Paint your clear phone case or decorate it with gems and cute stickers. You can add smileys, hearts, or even your name. It makes your phone stand out and feels more personal. Make a spa night kit. Put together your own spa kit using things you already have. Add scrubs, a soft towel, nail polish, etc. Take a break and use it for a full self-care night. You'll feel clean, refreshed, and relaxed after. Redesign school supplies. Use stickers, washi tape, and colored pens to redesign your notebooks and folders. Add your name in cute fonts and decorate the covers. It makes studying or writing feel way more fun. and you'll actually want to use your supplies. Make mini decor jars. Use small jars and fill them with fairy lights, fake candles, crystals, or positive quotes. These jars are like full of your favorite vibes. Keep them on your desk, shelf, or bedside table. Press and frame flowers. Pick fresh flowers and press them inside a book for a few days. Then frame them or glue them into your journal. It's a soft and peaceful craft that connects you to nature. Paint glass bottles. Take old jars or bottles and paint them with cute colors or doodles. You can use them to store pens, makeup brushes, or little notes. It's fun, useful, and gives your space a creative touch. Make clay charms. Use air-dry clay to create mini hearts, flowers, or fruit charms. Paint them once they're dry and turn them into keychains, earrings, or tiny decor. It's hands-on and fun, like playing with soft dough, and the results are always adorable. Design phone wallpapers. Open Canva and design your own lock screen and home screen wallpapers. Use quotes, soft colors, and aesthetic layouts. You can make one for each mood or week. Decorate a purse or makeup bag. Take a plain pouch or purse and add paint, pins, or patches. You can match it to your style and carry it every day. This makes even a boring item feel special. DIY a dream catcher. Use a small hoop, thread, beads to make your own dream catcher. Follow a simple tutorial and choose colors that calm you. Hang it above your bed or in your window. It gives your room a soft and dreamy feel. Go window shopping with a friend. Call up a friend and go to the mall or your favorite stores just to look around. Try on outfits, take mirror pics, and laugh over the silly items you find. You don't have to buy anything to have fun. It's about the vibes and memories. Paint mini canvas art. Buy a set of small canvases and paint words or doodles that mean something to you. Make a theme like self-love or peaceful mind. Hang them in a row above your bed or desk. Design and print stickers. Use Canva to draw little designs and print them on sticker paper. Cut them out and stick them on your water bottle, notebook, or laptop. You can even gift them to friends or start your own sticker collection. It's fun, creative, and totally yours. You don't need a lot of money or friends around to have a great summer. You just need the right ideas. Doing cute, peaceful things makes you feel more alive and less bored. Try one or try them all, and you'll see how much better your day feels. Make your summer count, even if you're doing it all by yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.